So I'm leaving the ski resort of Kranjska Gora, and I'm going to Ljubljana this morning. It's a short ride from here, a bit less than 2 hours. I think the weather will be with us. So I'm in Ljubljana. I will charge, but that will be the only charge stop of the day, because my next stop is Croatia, which is 150 kilometers from here, so yeah, I will be good. Oh, bad luck. The station is not working again. I mean, that was the ideal place, because there is a pizza right in front. The light is off. Yeah, I can't charge bike. Okay, I need to find another spot. Okay, it actually works, and there's no light on the screen, nothing, you see. But it works. I mean, I managed to plug my card. The bike is charging. Good for pizza now. I'm going to do a quick tour of the city. It's my first time in Ljubljana, so I just don't know where to go. Heading to Croatia now. I need about 2 hours. I had 3 options from Ljubljana to reach northern Croatia. I mean the seaside, and I took the option in the middle, which is the longest. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. Waiting for data. 1 second, 2 seconds. It's loading. Wonderful. Well, let's be honest. Traveling with an electric motorcycle is nice, but range anxiety is the real thing. You need to schedule in advance every charging stop. You need to be lucky, because sometimes the charging stop doesn't work. At each stop, calculate, okay, how long do I wait? Do I wait like something like 30 minutes? Compared to other bikes, it's more complicated, definitely. Yeah, I'm stopped now. We're good. Okay, this is my road. I don't think I have the right bike for this, but the problem is I checked and I don't see many options. So let's try.
Ah, that's a better road. I checked the settings in SwitzeroRider because they have an option for unpaved road, and I think I messed up with that option. I mean, the road is definitely not in excellent condition, but compared to what it was just before, it's paradise. Hello, Kranjska. Good evening.